Hey guys, so for today's video, we are doing my final 12 days of tutorial. So I created this super gorgeous smoky look and I used my favorite palette of this year, which is the Natasha Denona My Dream palette. I feel like this happened a few times in my 12 days of tutorials where you guys actually voted for kind of newer palettes in this series, and that's totally fine. I wanted to use the palettes that you guys voted for. So under the Natasha Denona category, this palette won by far. And I'm honestly not surprised because I love this palette so much, so I'm sure you guys do too. I do want to show you my outfit really quick because in a previous video, it was like my bronze look with the red lip. I had this really cute outfit on and I showed you guys and you guys were like, I want to see more outfit stuff. So on days I actually put an outfit together, I would like to show you what I put together, just kind of some fun fashion stuff. So let me show you what I'm wearing because I feel like my whole look is just a vibe today. Okay, so I'm new to these outfit of the day, so just bear with me here, but here is my fit for the day. I'm actually going bowling later today with my family, so this is my outfit. Try to show you my boots here. Why is this so hard to do? So my boots are from Amazon. They're just kind of like chunky boots. My jeans are from American Eagle. These are one of the mom style jeans. My crew neck is actually from Costco. I love this color so much. And then my little leather shirt here, it's not a jacket, it's more of a shirt. It's an oversized faux leather shirt and it's from Abercrombie. And then my snake earrings that I wear all the time are from Ana Luisa. All right, so that was my little outfit of the day. Now, if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm so excited to dig into this palette again today since it is my favorite palette of 2022. I gotta tell you, today I'm like channeling bad bitch vibes. Like, I got my leather jacket on. You guys saw my outfit. It's fucking cute. So I want to do just like a pretty dramatic look today and just play around with this again. So let's dig into this palette. As always, I prime my eyes with the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer and I did not set my primer. I am just going to tap out the primer with my finger though to make sure there's no creases. I'm going to start with the shade Nurture on a Sigma E28 and I'm going to start by packing that on the outer part of my lid. Now I'm going to take a skin tone colored shadow on a Sigma E27 and I'm going to use that to blend around the Nurture shade. Now that I blended that out, I am going to touch up the Nurture shade right on my lid here to make sure it's nice and pigmented. Now I'm going to take Aspiration on a Sigma E57, and I'm going to use Aspiration to deepen up the outer part of my lid even more. And I am keeping the shade a little bit lower than I did with Nurture. Now I'm going to go back to that E27 with more Nurture on it and use that to blend around the edges of Aspiration. Alright, so I'm packing on that Aspiration shade, and then again going back to that E27 with more Nurture and blending around the dark shade. Now I am going to add just a little more Aspiration to the very outer part of my lid, just to deepen this up even more. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Babies on a concealer brush, and this shade's going to go on the inner part of my lid. I don't know if I've used this shade yet from the palette, but it's a really pretty pinky shimmer, but it's not like too pink. It's a very wearable pink shade. So I'm kind of using the brush to map out the shape that I want. Almost like I'm doing a half cut crease, but without doing the whole concealer step. And then I'm going to take more of the shade on my finger and use that to really intensify the pigment. But now I need a shade to help the blend from the pink to the deeper matte shades. So I'm going to pick up Serenity on my finger, and that's going to go right between these shades on my lid. And then going back to my E27 and doing a slight blend around those shimmers. And now same thing on this eye. So I'm gonna start with Babies. And then going in with Serenity. And then doing a slight blend. So I think I want this inner lid to pop even more. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Spontaneous on that E28. I'm gonna place it kind of in like my inner crease to really brighten up this area. And I'm kind of layering it on top of that Baby shade. Kind of like that. Now I'm going to do a wing using my Inglot gel liner number 77 with the Sigma E06. I used this eyeliner the other day and I forgot how much I loved it. So I like to start with lining my lash line. That's kind of the easiest part. And then I like to do the outer part of the wing. My wings are really going two different directions right now. This one's going like nice and straight up. This one's going out more. They both look good in their like own way though, but they're definitely not even. So I'm gonna take some concealer on a flat brush and I'm gonna try to lift up this wing. This might have been a terrible idea. Whew, deep breath. Okay, keep going. Oh my gosh, what do I do? Okay, so I kind of erased the point of the wing and that's totally fine. So I'm going to take my little Tarte eyeliner that has like a little micro tip on it and I'm going to fix the point of this wing. Now I am adding a little bit of black eyeshadow from the palette just on top of that wing to really make sure it's just nice and dark and black. I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then we'll finish up the eyes together. All right, my face makeup is done. Let's do the lower lash line. I'm gonna start with Nurture on my Sigma E57. So I have that shade on the tip of the brush and that's gonna go along my entire lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a black gel kohl liner and I'm going to run that in my waterline. Now I'm going to take a Sigma E21 in the shade Edgy and I'm going to use that to smudge out the lower lash line. I thought it'd be kind of fun to add this pop of the purple shade in here. You could also use Aspiration for this step if you want to keep the look all neutral, but I kind of like this. Now I'm going to take a tiny bit of the black shade and I'm going to add that to the very outer part of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the new Rare Beauty highlighter in Enlighten. That's going to go in my inner corner. I wanted something like pretty light and white looking, so that's why I picked this shade. You could also use Spontaneous from the palette. I am super happy with how the eyes are turning out. I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes and then I'll show you the full face. All right, the sun is like coming through and peeking through the clouds and the lighting is like perfect right now, so I need to show you this immediately. But I popped on my mascara and lashes, and for my lashes I'm wearing the Bright Lashes in the style Lush. I wanted a pretty bold lash since I was going all out today with this look, and I think this just looks so stunning and sexy and smoky. I love it. All right, and here's what the full face looks like. I am so obsessed with this right now. Like, I feel so sexy, and I'm going bowling later today with my family, so this is the vibe for bowling today. Let me tell you what's on my lips. I'm wearing my favorite lip liner, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude. And then for my lipstick, I'm wearing the Makeup by Mario 1 and Aaron from that little nude lip kit duo. And for my gloss, I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy, such a classic, and I'm just obsessed with this whole look right now. I really feel like I hit the look that I was going for today. Like I wanted bad bitch vibes and I feel like I got it. I'm kind of sad that my 12 days of tutorials is over, but like I feel like it flew by so fast. So you guys know I'm just obsessed with this palette. I'm so happy I got to use it again today and I just love this look that I created. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, all that good stuff.